This is a standing version of the overhead press. So you're gonna come up with both arms. You can bend and then press up. You're holding your arms up towards the ceiling. You're gonna bend one elbow down to the side, beautiful, and then press up. Good, and do the other side, good. You can do these with palms facing each other. Good, working on that shoulder end range stability. Good, and trying to keep those arms nice and strong up towards the ceiling. One more. Good, and then come on down. And then go ahead and face sideways. We'll do that one more time. Bringing the dumbbells up, punch. Good, and then from the sideways view, what I'm looking for is if the ribs are flaring out or if she is arching in the low back. Good, so keeping nice strong trunk as you press up.